Believe it or not, my love for fashion and fragrances started as early as age 3. Like, I can vividly remember watching my mom getting dressed up and using her favorite scent. And that love for looking good and smelling even better is definitely something I think she passed down to me. And the Philosophy Amazing Grace Eau de Toilette is the closest thing I've found that reminds me of that nostalgic feeling. It has notes such as bergamot and lily of the valley and their signature musk, and it's just so minimalistic yet memorable, and it definitely elevates my everyday routine, which explains why one bottle of Amazing Grace is sold every 24 seconds, because it's literally that good. This is my mom at my age, and now that I'm in my 30s, I can definitely appreciate this timeless classic beloved by women for generations, and it's always so appropriate, soft and light, and I get so many compliments when I wear it. Fit check, mom approved, of course, because she still gives me tips on fashion and self-care even to this day. And even though we're miles apart, philosophy keeps us connected, which is why I'm spreading the love by gifting the one person who inspires me in her everyday life the Amazing Grace collection. And I truly hope that it brings back all of these wonderful memories for her as it did for me, and it's just something that we can both treasure for years to come.